Okay, Bula guys, how are you? This is Fred from Fiji. Pleasure to have you on. As soon as you jump on, guys, don't forget to let me know where you're coming in from. And it's a real honor for me to be sharing some of my ideas with you here today. So, guys, today I'm really excited to be sharing with you my top 5 reasons why I started an online business in 2020. So, the purpose of this video is to create a little bit of awareness about a business model. Hi, Doc. How are you? I'll do a bit of a shout out at the end. So, hey, thanks for jumping on, Doc. So the purpose of this video is to create a bit of awareness about a business model that's allowing anyone, everyone, to become an entrepreneur and change their future. So, again, my top 5 reasons why I started an online business in 2020. So the first one is residual income, weekly pay. Since losing my job in March, late March, to coronavirus, I researched and launched my online business. This business pays in residual income. Now, residual income is a type of income that has plenty left over to keep hitting your bank account every week, even if you take a few hours or a day or a week off. You can earn this type of income too. My second reason is it's easier than ever, thanks to the internet. The internet has turned my business, based here in Nandi, Fiji, into a global business. I've got customers in a few countries now. It allows me to get my message across to a lot of people that can see and hear my message. I use my time on social media to create value-adding content that's helping people from all over the world. The feedback's been amazing. You can too. My third reason why I started an online business this year is the low startup cost, less than $100. This business cost 99 US dollars to start. This was the best 250 Fijian dollars I've ever spent my whole life. I mean, what kind of business allows you to work on yourself and help people from all over the world at the same time? What kind of business allows you to earn a residual income only after 10 team sales? What kind of business gives you the potential to set yourself up for retirement in a few months or even a few years, depending on how smart you work? I know you can too. My fourth reason why I started an online business this year is I can work from home. I can work from home, from town, from my village, from the beach. I can work from my car, in the bus, or even on the sugarcane train. As long as I've got a phone, a smartphone, and internet, I'm good. Now I can be with those that I love whenever and wherever. You can too. The last reason, not the least, but the fifth reason why I launched an online business in 2020 is to be your own boss. Now I'm working for myself. Well, really, I'm working for my wife and kids, but for our future. I work my business around my spiritual life, my health, my education, my home chores. If I want a pay rise, I just put in the work. I get out of it exactly what I put into it. Now, I will never miss out on my children's morning walks to school. I help my wife out with their lunches, have breakfast with them, pick them up, take them to swim lessons, help out with their schoolwork. I'll never miss their birthdays, school parents' days, parents' meetings, fundraisers, school field trips. Now I have a bit of freedom to catch up with my friends, my visiting families, especially when they come from overseas. I can travel with my family and not have to worry about playing office politics to get the annual leave approved. You know how that is. I can stop making up stories about how sick I am to my boss and the doctor. Sorry, Dr. Fong. Guess I could be experiencing a bit of freedom. Look, I know deep down in my heart, you can too. Hey guys and girls, there is a reason why you keep coming across my message. Nothing is ever by accident. So comment, like, share and subscribe if you like hanging out. Give yourself a chance to see how you could have a bit of freedom in your lives this year. Comment info below, or comment whatever you like, and I'll send you some easy steps you can start taking right now to fire your boss in a few months or a few years from now, because you can too. So guys, thanks for hanging out. This is Fred from Fiji. Sotatale.